This is a great question that I saw online from a member of the Cigars Daily Nation. Is there a cohesive way to set up a humidor? And really, if you're asking about the word cohesive in relation with the cigar industry, I gotta be honest, you're like barking up the wrong tree in a huge way. But truthfully, there is a way to do it that makes sense as long as it makes sense to you. And it depends on what is the purpose of your humidor. A great example is the humidor that I'm in right now. There's a cohesive way to do this because the most important thing about this room is that I can find exactly where everything is. And in this humidor, my goal is to know how much I have of each thing by quickly coming and looking at it. And I'm not gonna lie, I honestly don't know what we do in this room anymore. I'm not sure what its function is. And then there's my studio humidor, the one that sits over my shoulder, and the organization in there is embarrassingly poor. But there are a few steadfast rules that a lot of people use for their humidors. I'll tell you what they are and then what I would do. The first one is if you've got multiple shelves in a humidor, like probably a thermoelectric humidor, like the ones you see on Amazon, a lot of people will put their most priced, like high-end cigars or the ones that they want to age on the top shelf. So more like the medium, mid-smoking, like daily range cigars, those go sort of in the middle shelf. And then a lot of people will fill in the bottom shelf with bundled stuff or a couple of boxes of what they've like really wanted to collect or hold on to. At the same time, when it comes to your humidor, you might be using like a wooden desktop humidor or an acrylic jar or something like that. Some people will even use Tupperware or Ziploc bags. There's all kinds of solutions, which is why this one question is so difficult to answer. There's no cohesive way to organize your cigars because there's no one size fits all humidor solution. So when you got multiple tiered shelves, you kind of divide the sticks based on how you like them. Top tier stuff on the top, daily stuff in the middle, collectibles, boxes, bundles on the bottom. A humidor like this will basically give you the opportunity to separate a few high-end cigars from sort of the daily stuff. But the most tried and true ways to organize your cigars in a humidor is either by wrapper. It's a popular way to do it. Separating cigars by wrapper will let you set all of your dark cigars here, your medium sun-grown cigars here, your Connecticut's in one place, or you can separate them by cigar maker. If you really love a brand like Padron, you put all of those in one place, or you put another brand, maybe some boutique brands together in one spot, and all your Perdomos on the other side. There's a lot of ways to dice the thing up, but as long as it makes sense to you, it should come out just absolutely perfect for you. So the big question is, how do you arrange your cigars in the humidor? What is the most cohesive way to you? Drop it in the comments.